Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Blast. Today we are going to talk about low maintenance haircut ideas for women over 50 that looks stylish, beautiful and save time every day. These hairstyles are perfect for women who want comfort, confidence and elegance without spending hours styling their hair. As we grow older, our hair texture can change. Some women notice thinner hair, dryness, or less volume. This is why low maintenance haircuts are becoming more popular. They are easy to wash, quick to style, and still look modern and fresh. Let's start with the classic pixie cut. The pixie haircut is short, stylish, and very easy to care for. It works well for women with fine hair because it adds texture and volume. You can simply comb in with your fingers and you are ready to go. Another beautiful option is the short bob haircut. A bob is timeless and elegant. It can be straight, layered or slightly wavy. A chin length bob gives the face a soft and youthful look. It also works for both casual and formal occasions. You can wear it naturally or style it quickly with a brush and dryer. Layered hairstyles are also a great idea for mature women. Soft layers make the hair look fuller and more lively. Layers add movement without needing too much styling. Even if you let your hair air dry, layered cuts still look beautiful and natural. Women with thin hair especially enjoy layered haircuts because they create more volume. For women who like medium length hair, shoulder length cuts are a perfect choice. This style is easy to manage and gives many styling options. You can tie it back, leave it loose, or add soft curls for special occasions. Shoulder length hair also frames the face nicely and looks gentle, elegant at any age. Grey hair also looks amazing with low maintenance styles. Today many women proudly show their natural grey or silver hair. A soft layered cut or a modern bob can make grey hair look stylish and classy. Using simple hair products like lightweight shampoo and conditioner can help keep silver hair shiny and healthy. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.